Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, hello, and welcome. And if you're not new, what's popping? In today's video, you all already know by the title. Listen to me, I am so excited. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited to open this. I collected it yesterday and people have been torturing me, like my mother for once, my fellow makeup peers for twice. They've been torturing me. Have you seen it? Have you opened it? And I'm like, no, I'm saving it for this moment right here. Can we just cue the choir? You know, last week I had a conversation with you guys and I was telling you all, the Tobaglo Destination collection dropped with Angel Cumberbatch, and I'm so excited. I want everything. Ollie, listen. I'm ready to travel. Okay? Destination Tobago, it's your time. Listen. I'm ready to go. Actually, I want to get into it, but at the same time, I really want to take a moment to just appreciate the packaging earlier. Guys, this is wood. Are you hearing me? Look, briefcase, like I really packed my suitcase filled with stuff in there, and I'm ready to head destination Tobago, featuring Tobaglo x Angel Cumberbatch. Listen, as per usual, 20 out of 10 for Tobaglo Cosmetics for their packaging. They never drop the ball, and I believe with a person as Danielle spearheading it, I expect nothing less. I must say I'm super proud. Congratulations to Tobaglo Cosmetics and Angel Cumberbatch on this collaboration. But now is the moment. Like, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna let you guys see it along with me. There are snaps at the front here so that we can open our package. Or do you want to open it? Or you want me to open it for all of us? Here is the moment. Ole, time out looking. Time out. I hope I ain't open it upside down. But that's okay. How it looking? Time for me to turn this thing around. Oh my, Olia. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know I say I wanted everything, and let me just tell you, I get everything. Look at that. I mean, I know I showed you it first, but still, I get everything. And I get some extra stuff, all the scene stuff in your back here. Okay. Before I get into this side, let me get into the extra stuff, right? I really appreciate that it's packaged as though I'm traveling. I'm here for this. Oh yeah. I have a boarding pass. Listen. Tobaglo Cosmetics boarding pass. Home wherever I am to Tobago. Collection is called the Destination. Oh, look, my name right here too. What? Yelena. And the package is called Destination. There's a scan to tag us in your picture. I need to scan this. And as per usual, Tobaglo never misses with their cards as well to provide you with information and such. So this is the idea card, Angel's go-to looks. And here we see Angel right on the back there. She is as gorgeous as ever. I absolutely love the pictures from the shoot and everything for the collection. Now, I was supposed to get my hands on the back brows. Danielle told me that she was not sure, Miss Jazz Artistry. She wasn't sure if she had given it to me. So because she wasn't sure and I wasn't sure and I didn't want to look, I did my brows already. But that's okay. We'll save this for another video. That's okay. One is in Moringa and the other one is in Mobi. But we'll save that for another video. Don't worry on yourself. Oh no, I got t-shirts. Merch, you guys. Merch. And this t-shirt says here, beauty deserves the capture. And listen to me, I am beauty and I deserve the capture. Tobago is beauty, which deserves the capture. Girl, you are killing it. I can't just say girl because there is a team behind Tobaglo. It's not just Danielle, it's not just Jazz Artistry, as some of you might know her. It's a team, and I must say, guys, y'all doing it. Now we're going to go into this segment of our PR unboxing, okay? Because listen to me, this is a 2-for-1 special. I'm going to be using this palette immediately. This is the lash style called Staycation. The next lash style is called Vacation. You'll see how big this is. Jarama them. That's what I want to do. Jarama them. And let me tell you guys, like after having followed Angel for some time now, her lashes just be hella dramatic. Sometimes she's wearing on no eyeshadow at all, and her lashes are always dramatic. Like, if it's one thing, so I'm not even surprised at these styles, but she also caters for persons who may not like big lashes, and that's where Staycation comes in. And then she caters for the ones who like to drama them, nah boy. That's where Vacation comes in. And I think this third one, which is called Conception, I feel like it's the middle child, but it's also still very unique in its own way. And listen, child. Next we have this Benestic lip liner, and it's so beautifully wrapped. It's a nice chocolate brown, as you can see there. Story, or they're gonna see it in action. Let me just put it aside one time. Next we have a liquid velvet lipstick, another one because I only have one liquid velvet lipstick from them. That's Entangled. So now I have another one, and this one is called Sandy Escape. Yes, it's my type of ashiness. I love it. This is what it looks like. That is something that I do appreciate with Tobaglo Cosmetics. All their stuff is well packaged, well labeled, and their branding, the colors and everything, it's always consistent even when they drop a new collection. And again, I am here for all of that. We even have a coconut jelly lip gloss. Guys, look at coconut jelly. I love me some coconut jelly. Coconut jelly, peas and rice, something sharp like a knife. That we talk about. I'm not really getting much of a fragrance from it. It just reminds me of regular vitamin E lip gloss, and that's probably what this is. We're gonna get into one of the biggest parts, and this is the Destination eyeshadow palette. This is the Destination eyeshadow palette. I love the sunset, the ocean vibes, the sand, and the tropical flora and fauna that we're seeing here. There's even a heart with Tobago in it. Oh my goodness, I wonder if anyone noticed that. I'm only just now seeing that. It says here, Dear Tobago, you're so beautiful. I love your people, your culture, and most importantly, your majestic environment. Thank you for being so rich in authenticity and continue being unapologetically you. Love, Angel. Oh, This is so sweet. It's just like a letter to Tobago. Let's get into these colors. Let me just bring you guys in closer. Let's see these colors here. So rich, they're so beautiful, and Tobaglo never miss. They always make sure that your eyeshadow palettes are travel friendly. There's always a mirror intact, so you can definitely go. And I can see that these colors, some are bold, some are soft, so you can get a natural vibe, you can get a colorful look with just these colors right here. This could literally be your go-to palettes. Let me just move these things to the side so that I can get into a really nice eyeshadow look. Hopefully I can do this palette some justice, because I ain't get time to dwell on the colors now, boy. I'm trying to move. Now my eyes are primed, we can reach into the palette. And the first thing I'm gonna reach for is, believe it or not, it's gonna be Pirates B. That is this shade down here. And I'm gonna start by packing that into my crease. I can definitely see that the team worked really hard, and not just into this collection, but in every release that Tobaglo has had over the past few years. Even though I've only been a part almost a year now, I must say that it's truly amazing what they're doing, and persons are really interested in getting to know the brand, in wanting to purchase from the brand, and so the brand is growing, and I really love that for them. What I noticed is that all of these places is named after something that you can do, or a place where you can visit in Tobago, and I want to visit all these places. I want to eat from all these places, or see whatever it is to see and experience whatever there is to experience. This is like a bucket list for me. Honestly, I don't recall having crab and dumpling in Tobago, because I've always low-key thought maybe I might be allergic, but it turns out I'm only allergic to shrimp and I'm not allergic to crab. Strange. So I really want to experience that, because this shade is called crab and dumpling right here. Y'all, all in see me packing on black and my face done. Only had to be mad. Let me go and put some eyeshadow underneath my eye. Now I can resume. Now that I'm finished with Pirates Bay, I'm gonna pack in Sunset. That is this rich orange shade right here. I'm feeling all those sunset vibes on top, you know? After I've packed it on, I'm gonna blend it out. Then I'm gonna go back with whatever remains on the brush to just help with the transition, because I want it to be as beautiful as ever. It's blending out very nicely. Now I'm going to reach for Peckish. I think I want to put this shade above Sunset, and I'm gonna blend it as I go. Y'all seen that? Time for me to cut the crease. Because I'm not trying to make this an extremely long video, I decided to cut my crease off camera, but this is basically what I was going for. And now I have to decide what I'm gonna put on the lid. I think I'm gonna start with Healing with Horses. That is this chocolate brown shade that has some red undertones up in there. So I'm packing it on and then I'm blending. I'm gonna flip to the other side of this brush, and I think I want to get crab and dumpling. And I'm just gonna basically put it above Healing with Horses. Now I'm gonna get another brush, and I want to get Activate. Now I'm not going all the way up to my crease because I'm putting another shade there. I think I'm gonna reach for Countryside. That is this creamish color here, and I want to pack that onto the rest of my lid, like right in the middle there. I wonder why they chose these names for these shades. Like, what about it, you know, that made them think, okay, Countryside should definitely get this creamish color, you know. Now I'm gonna reach for Bene Stick and I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm gonna reach for Sandy Escape. And I'm gonna put that in the middle there. Yo guys, I'm so scared to mess up clear lip gloss. So I'm definitely gonna put this on the back of my hand or something. I'm going to dip into it like this. Now I'm going to highlight the rest of my face. Just to remove this powder look, I'm gonna put on my Mario Badescu skincare facial spray. This one is in cucumber and green tea. I'm gonna put on a little bit more blush from Tobaglo. This is in the shade GP. I'm trying out this highlighter shade that I got from Colourpop. It's called Luster Dust. I purchased this from Bella Glam Artistry. Time for me to pop on some lashes, and I think I want to start with Staycation. This is what Staycation looks like. Yo, this is the fluffiest. Oh my goodness. This is so short and so fluffy. Like, I can't. Like, I just want to stare at it. I don't want to use it. Alright, well, usually lashes tend to fit my eye shape, so I don't think I need to measure to trim or anything like that. So I'm just gonna decurl my lashes. Y'all know I gotta do that. Alright guys, lashes are on and this is the completed look. Tell me, what do you guys think? Drama or not? So I decided not to put on Staycation anymore. Conception was definitely the lashes for this look. Like, for real. Like, I tried Staycation, I was like, nah, that's too short. This ain't working out. This is really not working out for me. But if you guys would like to see more looks, like maybe another soft glam look or a full glam look with this palette, this Destination palette, comment down below and let me know if you'd like me to try more stuff with the palette and with the products. Give me some feedback, let me know, tell me down below, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole PR unboxing and the look I was able to achieve using this palette, the lashes, the lip gloss. So since now you all have seen everything, you can tell me what is your favorite. But I really hope you guys enjoyed achieving this look and opening up this package. Congratulations once again to Tobaglo Cosmetics, and I can't wait to see how much you guys grow and the other things that are in store for you as a brand, as a business, as a company. Like, keep doing that thing. I wish you guys all the best. Many blessings, favor, and prosperity to Tobaglo Cosmetics. So guys, until next time, bye.